Hey, what's up besties? It's your girl E.Michelle and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. If this is your very first time, stop what you're doing. Click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And if you're coming over from Tina's channel, hey Unicorn Squad, I am so happy that you took the time to come check out my plan with me as well. So today's video is going to be a collaboration video between me and my girl, TinaBopper. Y'all know I love her. She is just awesome. Like, she is her own person. She her own planner. Honey, she gonna give you the real however she feeling. And whatever it is, okay, she's going to give it to you raw and uncut. So I don't care what she like or what she don't like. If it's her favorite, if it's not, she's gonna give you the real. And I just absolutely love that. And I'm so thankful that she wanted to do this collab with me, so this is great. So let me show you guys what we are going to be collabing and doing this week here in our planner. We're going to be using these Esha B Prints printables, and I just thought this was like really cute. You guys watch both of us do a plan with me every week, but it's kind of interesting to see people take one kit and see their perspective on it, especially because I am a horizontal planner and she is a vertical planner. So we're going to see how we use one kit to you know, show you guys how we plan. So here are all of the sheets, and this comes with a lot of sheets, and I think this kit was like $4.95. I will have everything linked down below for her shop. But I absolutely love these. Like, they're just so awesome. And the paper that I'm printing them on is called Milk Coast. You can get it off of Amazon. It's actually the paper that I use in my shop as well. I just love the print quality of it too. So there's that. And then there are the full box heart checklists. These are our littles and like to do things. We have some glitter headers, some quarter boxes and half boxes, our heart checklists and our heart boxes here. These are so cute. They like our little quarter boxes with like glitter and stuff. That is cute. And these page flags, oh, I'm here for it. Then we have our trackers, some bills due stickers, some just little like reminder ones here. I like to get it done, clean it, get it done and clean it, reschedule, cancel. Just some little icons. I'm very busy. Hashtag mom boss, hashtag books are life. What was I trying to say? And hashtag adulting sucks. I'm here for that. These are work stickers. Those are great to have as well. And then we have our day covers and our day dots, and then weekend. And then here are some more like just daily ones on here. This is really cute. And I think you could use this in like your TN, and then you just have your trackers and stuff like that. And then we have our bottom washi, and then some washi strips, which is so stinking cute. And then just some script words here. I think those are cute just to add a little flavor and pizzazz to your planner. And then some like bow header, like I don't know what these are called. If you guys know what these are called, let me know, but I call them like bow headers. And then here are just some of the bow boxes, and then just the reminder boxes down here as well. And then just some deco, which is like super duper cute, and I am here for it. And then here is what I like fell in love with in the kit as well. This is like a full box. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna use it in my horizontal planner, but I really want to use it. And inside of there, I don't know if you guys can see all of the details of the stickers, but like it's like washi boxes, like a washi box here. There's like some Simply Gilded just like boxes over here. Like it's just too cute. Like, I just couldn't take this scene. It's just adorable. And then you have your Simply Gilded washi here, a Game Boy, and one of the like paper clips with the bows on it, and then like a pocket planner. So this kit is like fully stocked. I don't know how many pages we just counted. I want to say there was 6 pages with 2 each. So there's 12 sheets in this kit that you get for like $4.95. So you guys make sure you check her out. She usually has some sort of sale going on as well. So if you guys get a chance, make sure you check her out. So if you're interested in seeing how I put all my plans together in here, then stay tuned. All right, you guys, so off camera, I went ahead and whited out all of the black lines that were kind of on here, and I just wanted to do that to make sure I couldn't see through with the washi. I am using the Simply Gilded washi. I believe this was from their Candy Bow collection. I'm not really sure. I'll have to check just in case, but anyways, this is their 5 milliliter bows, and I am in love with this. Like, I wasn't sure if I was gonna like this size, but I got some anyway. And I'm actually loving how small it is and how it just fits, you know, right where I need it. And I could have made like a bottom banner with this too. Like I don't know, it's just really, really cute. And the colors just went so well with this kit. I was almost like, did y'all create this kit like for this? Is this where this came from? Like, I don't know, like it was just amazing. So we decided to do this plan with me with this kit. I actually let Tina pick out the kit because I wanted it to be kind of her style, since I was asking her to do the collab, and this is the kit that she picked out. And it's just, I think it's us, it's the Moonchild. We're like our own people, and I love that about her and about myself as well. So now I'm just placing down these date covers, and I love that they're like the painted ones. They're like the paint strokes, and I thought that was like a really cute added touch. It's something different for the date covers. I definitely hope she comes out with just some date covers like this. I think that'd be really cute. And then I just laid down the weekend sticker on Saturday, just letting everybody know it's the weekend. And I, of course, could not wait to use this double box. Like, I was like, I'm using this. I don't care where I'm using it at. I am going to be using this one. So I put that down in that corner, and then I just started laying down all of the full boxes that I thought I could use. I don't know, like, I was trying to use as many as possible without it being like overwhelming, because I am a white space planner, okay guys? So I don't know, this kit was just too cute not to use all this deco, so I did go a little bit overboard with the deco. I probably could have, you know, cut back some on that, but it's my spread, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna let this one do what it do. So yeah, I definitely went like in with all of this deco, and I'm still loving how it came out. Like, look at that Starbucks cup. How cute is that? Come on, y'all. Like, this kit is just too cute. So I did do some like cutting of stickers. Like, I don't know what I was on. I was trying to do something, be creative and stuff like that. Like, I put that bow down and it looked really cute right there, but I ended up having to pull that up later, which was okay. Then I tried to cut this like little T in. I don't know what, like, that's what I'm saying. I was just out here in these streets doing stuff. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put down this first day of school sticker. This is from the sticker books from Target, and this is Austin's first day of school, so I'm so excited about that. Like, I'm too excited. And then out of frame, I'm putting down some trackers that I forgot to put down before I started with my pen, and I don't know what was going on. I needed to I was just all out of frame because I was focused on getting the top part and not the bottom part. Y'all know it's the struggle. If y'all, like, if you've ever done a plan with me before, the struggle is real. Like, to try to make sure you're in camera, I mean you're in frame, and try to make sure you're still doing what you're supposed to be, making sure you're recording still, that your camera hasn't cut off. Like, it's just so much that goes on behind the scenes. But anyway, so I was just looking for a couple of stickers. I had a few of them out that I wanted to use, but I wasn't really sure. And then I pulled out these post office little boxes, and I love these. I think I should have used mine that are a little bit smaller so that I could have had more room, but I mean, it worked out all to the good. And then I knew Wednesday I wanted to do a lot of working because that's going to be one of my free days. Normally I have church that day, but since we're having the conference on Thursday and Friday, I don't have to worry about going to Bible study because it's been canceled. So that is a good thing. That's a plus. I mean, it's not a good thing that Bible study is canceled. I'm just saying it's a good thing that I get a night to myself. Oh, that came out wrong. Sorry, y'all. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Okay, so now I'm just going into writing out my week, and I just didn't use a whole lot of other deco. I just used my handwriting here, and then I decided to move that Amazon sticker and put it at the bottom because it was really awkwardly placed in that corner. I have no idea why I did that in the first place. And here I'm just trying to utilize some more stickers, and I think I finally was like, okay, here's a couple that you can use, you know, just to kind of spice it up. But really, I didn't really have a whole lot of other stickers I could use with my style of planning, and I'm okay with that. Like, I'm definitely okay with that. I would love to use all the stickers, but I think I would be forcing it if I did. So as I'm working on kits and designing stuff for myself, I'm really working on being more functional and things that I like to see in my kits, and maybe some other people like to see stuff like that too. You know, maybe I'm not the only one. So yeah, I pulled out these emojis. I love using the emojis in my planner. I just think they're so cute. They're so freaking adorable. And then I went on to Friday, And I didn't really have a whole lot, just Austin having his soccer practice. And then Sunday, I knew that we were going to have mass choir, so I wanted to make sure I put that on there. Some TV shows I wanted to watch on Sunday. Power, Insecure, of course. And then there's another show with The Rock that I got to remember to watch. And then I'm just going to be doing some planning. Alright, you guys, so here's my completed plan with me for this week. I am absolutely in love with this design. I know you guys are probably like, girl, you don't got no plans on Saturday and Thursday and Friday. Well, right now, I just don't know exactly what I have going on. So I didn't want to fill it up with just like non-existent plans and pretend like stuff was going on, and I really don't. So what I'm going to do is come back and revisit this on probably Tuesday or Wednesday and see what else I have to do for the rest of the week. So I'm kind of gonna start doing that from now on, just kind of doing first part of my week like really hard plans, and anything that I have like super planned, I want to make sure that I put those down, but like the day-to-day tasks, those might change, and so I want to leave myself some room to kind of do some things. So here are all of the things I had left. I had tons and tons and tons of stickers left, so I definitely may be gifting the rest of this kit to someone, because there are tons of them left, and like I don't use, you guys know I don't use these full boxes. I don't know, I may try to use them in my mini this week. That may be something I do, so if I post them, you guys will see that. But yeah, like I had tons of stickers left over from this kit, and I love that. Like I think that is awesome when you have all of those stickers left over. You can do a whole nother plan with me in there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you go check out Tina's channel. She will have a plan with me up as well. And thank you so much for coming and stopping by my channel if you guys are from her channel. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Mwah! KK, bye!